Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can repost reels on Instagram. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram and we're going to post a reel on our story. So the first thing we're going to do is we have to select the reel that we want to share or repost, and you can scroll down your screen until you find the reel that you want to repost, and I'm just going to repost this reel. But you can also search for the reel by clicking on the search button, and I'm gonna go with this reel, so just tap on the share button. Then after that you can click on add to story. It's right here guys, just tap on it, then wait for a moment. Alright guys, and this is the reel that we want to repost to our story, and we can add music or we can add text to this reel. If we want to add text, we can simply click on this text button right here. But if we want to add music, we can click on the sticker button, and we can also zoom in or zoom out. We can use both of our finger to zoom in like this. And after that we can click on add we can click on your story right here to repost this reel. Okay guys, and that's how we can repost a reel on Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.